how to withdraw money from WeChat. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money from WeChat. To withdraw money from WeChat is simple. The first step, log into WeChat on your device. And then there are two ways actually. If you're in a region where withdrawal of money, adding money to your WeChat is supported, move to the bottom right corner of the screen. Not here. Let's scroll up. Yeah, bottom right corner and click on the Me tab that you can see there. After clicking on it, you'll be brought to your profiles page. On this page, amongst the options displayed, you'll see the option Service. And after clicking on it, you'll see other options, Select Wallet. And on the Wallet page, you choose Balance, then click on Withdraw and enter the amount you want to withdraw. And you'll be able to confirm your withdrawal by entering in your payment password. But for those that are not in that region, after you've ensured that your credit card or your WeChat wallet has already been linked to your bank account, move to the top right corner, click on the plus icon, and click on money, and then you'll be taken to your wallet page. On this page too, select cards, your bank card or your bank account, the one that has been linked to your bank account. Then click on balance, then click withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal by entering your payment password, and then your money will be transferred from your WeChat wallet to your linked bank account. But you must take note that it may take a few days for the transaction to be completed. But just wait patiently and your bank account will be credited from your WeChat account. So that is it. I cannot show you vividly because I do not have a bank account that is linked with my WeChat. But it is easy, all right? Just follow what I have said and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.